asawa ko ba?
Para magkasya.
Tumutulog kayo.
Kasi pag matas may sunod, para kami 10 minutes.
Sa office na.
Medyo ako.
Isang salita.
Wala nang tayo ng igagaling.
Bro, salita lang na. Pwede mo na.
No, God. Sabay kayo ni Ronan. Magkamag-anak sila si Ronan tsaka. Buti lang yung tayo lang eh.
Sa isa?
Yung pinsan, yung ano yun, ang tawag nun? Yung pinsan niya, sir, asawa ng tita ko.
Kaya, it's a tie.
Ano siya cousin in-law?
So, ano ang makita niya sa...
That's not so. Ay, uwi na kami.
Lu!
Ay!
Legit pala yung piano tayo.
Ganyan ba yung picture? Hindi mo yan.
Yun!
Hindi, joke lang.
Naiyak.
Wala ko joke lang.
Okay, good evening, class. Good evening, I see. Okay, please now be seated. Okay, please settle down. So, this is our last discussion for today. So, I hope everyone is comfortable and still has energy. Okay? So, I want everyone to listen. Okay? So, since later on, all throughout this discussion, I'm going to have an engagement together with you class. Okay? So, before we start, let me fix my PowerPoint quick. So, okay, so for this discussion, we're going to discuss what we're going to learn virtual instruments, and this virtual instrument is a piano. So, these past discussions, we have discussed the virtual instrument of a drum and then a guitar. Okay, so now we're going to discuss a virtual instrument that is about piano. So again, I'm your teacher for this minute. I am Teacher Steven E. Vergara. You may call me Teacher Steven or Teacher Steve. Okay, so again, good evening everyone. So let's start with my mini game. So a couple of weeks later, I have instructed you class to download or install the Piano Tiles application. Okay? If you have downloaded the Piano Tiles application, we're going to use it in this activity. So here, have you ever opened the... Okay. 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 So, have you opened the Piano Tiles application already, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, from that Piano Tiles application, we're going to play the Jingle Bell song and try to achieve a high score with only one try. Again, class, be honest to your scores, okay? With just only one try, achieve the highest scores or the highest score you can achieve, okay? So again, the top scorers from the class will be awarded, okay? In just only one try. So I want everyone to get ready the Jingle Bells song, and I'm going to count since sabay-sabay kayo mag-play ng Jingle Bells, okay? Just tell teachers even if you're ready.
Sir, anong piano tayo?
Yes, that would be good. That one. Okay? Okay, nakapag-install na ba? Yes. Jingle Bells. Jingle Bells. Sabay-sabay ha? Wait lang. Jingle Bells. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Okay? Ready na po ba ang lahat? Yes! Wait lang, mukhang hindi pa ready yung iba. Okay?
Hindi dalaling ka na.
Sige lang, take your time, class. Sige lang. Okay? May na po ba? Nakapag-install niya? Nakapag-install na po ba? Okay. So, open already niya. Ha? Wala ka pa. Sige, sige. Okay. Sa mga meron na, punta na po tayo sa ating Jingle Bell song. Sige lang.
Kailangan na rin.
Yan.
Ako na ako. Start.
Ayan. Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. Yes, Jingle Bells Plus ha. And again, sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay natin siyang i-play. Walang mandadaya.
Kaya
Wait lang. Wait lang, may alas kasi kay Miss Carolyn.
ano ma-search?
Ayan.
Jingle bell pabulo.
Okay. Ready na? Sa mga meron na. Ready ha? Bibilan tayo. 3, 2, wait lang.
Sige lang, sabi.
Okay. Okay? 3, 2, 1, play! Okay, be honest class. Okay.
Nakasunod mo na tayo. Ito ba yung tutorial? Tama ba ito?
Si Juliet class, naka 168 na siya. Okay. Sino mo yung pinaka-score? How about Kyle? Si Kyle guys, naka 225 na siya so far.
Jingle bell song, yeah!
259.
Ano hindi ba ito?
Yung 68 ako, sir.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Six na. 68. Wait, see.
Okay. So far, wala pa atang na-out sa inyo. Depende. Kung sino yung last man standing yan. Yes.
Magkano na kayo, guys? Bigay niyo na sa amin to. Para na makawita tayo dyan.
Si Miss Carolyn, naka 509 na siya so far.
Nasaan yung jingle bells?
Kyle, mukhang na-out ka na.
Nasaan yung jingle
259. Okay, si Kyle ay naka 250.
598.
Okay, 598 si Miss Carolyn. May tataas pa po ba sa 598? Oh, nakailan? 863 si Mr. Junior. Okay lang yan. How about Mr. Osol? Okay, si Mr. Juilliard ay naka 971. Juilliard. Okay. Okay. Mukhang na. At least na lang si Mr. Okay. Okay, si Mr. Osol na talaga. Ayun. Okay. Mr. Oson. Nakailan ka, Mr. Oson?
Ako may hat.
Okay, 1K plus si Mr. Oson. Palakpakan na natin siya, class. So, later on, we'll be awarded for that. So, class, naglaro tayo ng piano tayo. So, what is the connection of this mini game from our topic? First, what have you noticed or observed? What did you observe while playing the piano tiles game? Okay, from your experience na naglaro. Okay? Na mga naglaro ng piano tiles, ano yung napansin nyo?
Ang sarap pa.
Okay, Mr. Kyle.
If you play a specific note na mali nga sa timing, like kapansin-pansin nga siya and medyo makakasira ka. Ang overall tone or music na
Okay, very good, Mr. Kyle. And anyone who wants to give their or provide their observations from the app? Anyone? Okay, so again, itong pinaro natin yung piano tiles is somehow related to a virtual piano. And now, in terms of its usability, when we are using a virtual piano, we are also using our fingers on playing the virtual piano. Okay? Okay? Okay, ganun. Ginagamit din natin yung mga daliri natin. Same as on the virtual piano. Next, how about coordination? Eye coordination. Are we using it in playing? Okay, yes, very good. We are also using eye coordination in playing the piano tiles game. So, same as the virtual piano. So, here, we're going to, but first, before we discuss what is the functions and keys or buttons in the virtual piano, let us understand what is a virtual instrument. Since we have been